In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend photo edges in Canva. This is a simple yet effective technique that will take your designs to the next level by creating a seamless transition between your photos and their backgrounds. Whether you're designing a presentation, a social media post, or even a personal project, blending photo edges can give your work a polished and professional look. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up Canva. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in. If not, setting up an account is straightforward, and you'll have access to a wide array of creative tools. Once you're logged in, you'll need a blank canvas to work on. Head over to the Create a New Design button, which you can usually find on the homepage or the dashboard. Select your desired dimensions, or use one of Canva's preset templates based on the kind of project you're working on. Now, let's bring your photo into the workspace. Navigate to the Uploads section, which is typically located on the left sidebar. Here, click on the Upload Media button to browse your computer files. Select the photo you wish to blend. Once the upload is complete, drag your photo onto the canvas. This will serve as the foundation of your design. With your photo in place, the next step is to create that seamless edge effect. To do this, go to the Elements tab on the sidebar. In the search box, type Gradient. You'll see a variety of options pop up, but for blending purposes, look for a gradient that transitions from white to transparent. This kind of gradient will help create a smooth transition that blends the edge of your photo effectively. After choosing your gradient element, click on it to add it to your design. You'll notice you'll have the ability to resize it. This is key to achieving a professional blend. So resize the gradient so it covers the edges of your photo. Use the handles to adjust the dimensions, ensuring that the white side lies on the edge you want to blend and the transparent side smoothly merges into the photo. Now it's time to perfect that blend. Position the gradient over your photo edge so that it covers just enough to create a smooth transition. To fine-tune this effect, adjust the transparency of the gradient element. Simply click on the gradient and navigate to the transparency tool, usually located above the canvas area, which lets you control how pronounced the gradient effect appears on your photo. Once you're satisfied with how the edges of your photo blend into the background, your design is complete. This subtle technique can be a game changer for your visual projects, ensuring your photos look well integrated and naturally part of the overall design. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're excited to apply this effect to your own designs. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.